amawulire gafulumye kigambibwa mbu abadde omwagalwa w'abangi mu disitulikiti y'e Kayunga amanyikibwa nga Moses Kalangwa mbu yatiddwa buttibwa. Bampita kali lugambo Promax tambuza video ndukutuuseeko. Okusinziira ku bitandise okuvaayo bassebo ne bannyabo, eyali mukyala wa former speaker Jacob Oulanyah, omukyala Alison Winnie avuddeyo n'ategeeza nti Kalangwa bassemutte era n'atuleetera facts ye z'agamba zayimirirako okukakasa nti bassemutte. Naye nga sinnakuleetera mukyala oyo kubanga abikuwa, bassebo ne bannyabo, nfunye obudde ne ntunulako mu videos ezaakwatibwa nga bali mu kusabira omubiri gw'omugenzi Kalangwa mu ekereziya. Muganda we omukulu w'abadde ayogerako eri abakungubazi agambye nti Kalangwa we yafunye accident mbu baafunye ambulance emutwale mu ddwaliro. Ambulance gye baafunye yabadde okumpi yabadde ambulance ya minisita amanyikibwa nga Lugoloobi. Naye ambulance gye bafunye Lugoloobi yabadde alina ambulance enkadde, naye yamaze n'addamu abantu b'e Kayunga n'abawa ambulance empya, era mu kujja otwala Kalangwa baaleseyo ambulance empya. Buuliriza video. Muganda wa Kalanga wagamba baade batambula balina we baatuuse ambulance n'esitopinga yokka n'efa. Mbu ambulance n'efa era ne bakola bukubirirawo okuyiyayiya ne batumya ambulance endala eyasobodde okujja Kalangwa awo ambulance we yafiiridde mpaka Mulago. Wabula muganda we yabadde naye mu ambulance agamba babadde batuuka ku bbiri ewali chachi ya Kakande, wakati wa chachi ya Kakande ne Mulago hospital. Mu Kalanga n'atandika okuba nga ava ebyovu mu kamwa. Ekimu ku biraga nti Kalanga yabadde assa omukka gwe ogusembayo. Okategedde? Now, ate ye omukyala Alison Winnie ayogedde bw'ati ku nfa ya Kalangwa. Yagamba Kalangwa banyize munyige. Akategedde vuga video. Bampita simple.
I'm saying that Kalaangwa then started to change paperwork on Janet's farm. And Muhoozi and Museveni and so on, they learned of it. So they decided to deal with him in this manner where they programmed his vehicle, because the car that he has is computer programmed. They programmed it such that at the appropriate time, they would stop the vehicle. They'll jam it so that it wouldn't move and wouldn't stop. And so it would get into a situation where it would have to hit something or get into an accident. And they did successfully. So Kalangwa was not supposed to survive. And any clinics around were meant not to be able to resuscitate, to get him back to a certain state of life.
Okay. Omukyalo ono agamba nti abakulu besigena kwogera mu kamwa kange babadde balina embeera wakati waabwe ne Kalangwa. Kigambibwa mbu Kalangwa alina faamu y'omukyala minisita gy'abadde amaneginga. Mbu olwawulidde Kalanga olwawulira nti minisita yagukoze I want to be selective in my words okwewala kibooko. Omukyalo n'agamba Kalanga olwawulira amawulire nti omukyala oyo minisita yafa, Kalanga n'akyusa paperwork wa faamu gy'abadde amaneginga. Abaana balina information. Now, Lady Alison agamba ab'eŋŋanda z'omukyalo oyo yafudde we bakitegere nti Kalangwa agezaako kyusa faamu ya nnyaawe. Baakutte emmotoka Kalangwa gye yabadde atambuliramu eri computerized, bo ne babako banyiganyigeyo ku kompyuta mbu Kalangwa yabadde avuga emmotoka ne stopinga yokka yokka. Nezirayo nentunula ne ngamba Kalangwa we yabadde avuga ofuna accident yabadde mu mmoloka. Kalangwa mmoloka gye yabaddemu yabadde eriko number plates nga za gavumenti. Emmoloka yamuweebwa gavumenti nonno ngatta dots. Kalangwa oyafunye accident mu mmotoka mwabaddemu abantu abalala abantu abalala bonna bavuddemu nga balamu mu mmotoka era nga tebayinaako yadde n'akamu n'akalaga nti bali bubi na buli kati bakyalya bakyanywa. Naye Kalangwa omugagga omuloodi gwadde bavuga ye bassebo ne bannyabo yagukoze. Ddala kyekyasse Kalangwa kankuzeeyo ewa Alison Winnie atunyonyole.
So they made sure it was in an area where he could not, no matter what they did, he couldn't make it anyway. Okay? So also Kalangwa, because he was kind of suspicious about things going south already, his brother, who was in the SFC, was also killed just recently. So a driver who was with Kalanga in that vehicle is being looked for, and if they find him, he would be in a whole lot of trouble. Okay? So ati wachi wajoma la choma driver mo beri mutaka neni bana kitika yenye ne pian en poto urien ka wanu manyuti ngare ni bana ka kino kibiti kome neno. So meno ye security lat matikere ngar mo kane ma kuone bana tika la kirmani Kenya kilwani Nyombi Tembo. Nyombi Tembo is also a target for these people. There's something that he has done, or they're just trying to eliminate anything Museveni so that Muhoozi can have his government and his people peacefully. Okay? The other person I'd like to warn is King Saha. Apparently, the Musevenis think that you are much like His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Therefore, they have paid Palazzo to basically make you disappear. So if you've seen any sites of accidents or some scary events, be careful, because it is true. It is very, very true. State House is on fire because of the information that we're getting all the time, all the updates, all the things that are going on in there. There's a lot of infighting between Museveni and his people. PN Museveni ge mieti Muhoozi ubet ki jone ke kene gamente pejo pa gene pejo pa Museveni machoni PN Muhoozi wachi jone pe ware jone pe mieti pe ge mie ruam charo en la diet manyuti Nyombi Tembo ingeni na di kenyu bu winyi gi motimo neno dan makilwoni King Saha a winyi ki or Palazzo wero chero tetem gi mama raji ko PN Peki miete down chalo Bobby Wine da o aki Buganda. Miero down chalo Bobby Wine pa o aki Buganda da nyo po bera nywali me Uganda la tien mo ken mo bukata ma wie tiu loyo gene. Honorable Joel Senyonyi, in these matters of the Anita Among and corruption phase and all of that, Honorable Senyonyi has been put on target because they believe Muhoozi does not want Honorable Senyonyi to be in the next parliament, even as an MP or a leader of opposition. So, Honorable Senyonyi, whatever you are, Anita Among is being coached to say that you are part of the scheme somehow. Whether there is evidence or not, it doesn't matter to these people anyway, because all they want to do is to loop in Joel Senyonyi so that Muhoozi can arrest him and put him in prison for good. Muhoozi does not like Joel Senyonyi because he believes that Joel Senyonyi was the beginning and the source of all corruption probes in Uganda. By the time Anita Among was getting sanctioned by the United States and the rest of the Western world, Joel Senyonyi had already probed into Uganda Airlines, through Kosase. He had gone through a few probes where he had found enormous corruption. Okay? Dano Makilwoni Joel Senyonyi Mauberu, leader of opposition, Komberi Chawani, unyo parliament mukate. Muhoozi, wota Museveni, wachipe miro olo I parliament manyene. Manyuti, en piano ngayuni, o wajuni, Joel Senyonyi ayoberu down mawio tiyo adeda I parliament mo karoni mo wero gamente pa Museveni kuberichani lobo weng tika ketu wangi machalo gamente palukuoni. Pien Joel Senyonyi ena yo charo interview Mau beru kangino jam mi chalu koi go kong Uganda Airlines. Dago makimi uti new bed executive director me Uganda Airlines. Oberu down mo me po kwano pay waki certificate. Eno kimi ira teach PN one young uti ugibani in Museveni. Mayan beru waji kidoga ni waji teach enini kimi na miya